to meto babi ni na bona to kini bola ni rami sura to keto na ilengu na kokoa na biba morutaki na nonton bula to ni bisi na giba sama taka lebu na bango ya kimundo sa sini wale na bosa
siapa itu daka sulit begitu na itu kini bola na talent si itu kan
right
Tapi batu kita.
Kemudian dong gitu, cuman sangat sering gitu binak kan?
Iya, orang sering gitu binak. Iya, dan aku plan tuh, meu bully. Meu bully sama binak apa? Yang tahu besar nabi kakek nak, kayak sindrom kan?
Siapa lagi?
Kita nonton pakai sama.
Iyo.
Dokter itu ni kau elewa bully kan?
Kaya kayak kuna prime minister, nana mir tunggu.
Apa deh?
Tuh nakan tunggu me.
Onolim.
Membuah.
Kuan itu boleh menrubang orang menrulang.
Bangor rim, berarti ni barang tu bicin, berarti simper cik nang ngom niki kempini.
Iya.
Iya, aku menang. Ano gelit na bertu.
Iya.
Nabi tiba.
Iya ikut temen.
Gua apa nih gua?
Karena berang turun nomor motor bonongan nila bikin na ouch palang iso nga na katinay Josh.
Leia.
Pango.
Talofa lava. Nabambul ba Samoa?
Iya.
Talofa lava.
Gua may American Samoa.
Ayo, alolum. Alolum.
Como rosing ni kona alolum.
Iya.
Ray matanga.
Iya.
Kung tutu kona. Lakorum.
We'll take Sawa all the way from your place now.
Right.
Is na Rusa. Ano ba na tokan lo mo na kesi darmit.
Boleh
Bani mbola binaka ati boliti ba mbola binaka
Right. Ertu warung cuma kau may sigang tokan.
Right.
Nagyang ni Dhaka Lawalawa. Nataban ni Waina Water Authority of Fiji. Olimay kay Onorani Abhishek Watakay John Ramasi.
Wow.
And a venue ni Tavalengo Johnny John. And mataka vela kinikuwa.
Karena kay Dr. Singa Losty.
Iyo.
Simsam Super Hawks Bay.
Right.
May New Zealand and mataka binaka diko.
Tinejos.
Mulai binaka.
To each and everyone joining this morning, good afternoon, good day,
Evening.
in different time you are tuning in.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning as we are beyond 8 now.
Right.
So sa bulang tining ko na wala koloko, it's 7:37. Good morning to each and everyone who are joining today. Just call me Mbuna.
Iyo.
From the village of Mbudalebu. Nakurutumbura.
Arana yan.
Good morning. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Alright.
Antilo antibiri do kada single losti.
Right.
Hey, mga meron na bitoli sa buto may.
To all the drivers joining this morning, thank you very much for the services.
Right.
You provide for the passengers, even though some of us we just wake up, you wait for us.
Yeah.
Some public transport sometimes.
Yeah.
When we are about to run from leave that place,
Right.
somebody calling, hey,
Yeah.
it's someone here want to go to.
Right.
Maybe one grandma.
Right.
Walk, okay, the public transport wait for her
Yeah.
or him
Iyo.
from there. So wonderful. It
Right.
shows patient in their heart.
Yeah.
The driver, to all the drivers
Right.
joining this morning.
LM,
Thank you for
LM.
the well services.
Right.
To all the LMs.
LM344,
Yeah.
Epineri,
Wow.
LM2 Josepha,
Right.
LM482 Moses Singyo, LM2 Miu Chikoro Yugo Sumi Korbo,
Right.
and LM84 Omanasai. They all tuning in. Okay, there is some nerves to the sick and tired of some people
Yeah.
when they come to our house and they stop and the people didn't come, eh?
Yeah.
Like they waste the fuel, eh?
Yeah.
They press the horn. No. General, eh?
So thank you to all the for us passengers, for us who are being used a public vehicle, public transport. We need to talk nicely to the driver.
Yeah.
The driver they got a very big responsibility. They got a big responsibility because before you wake up, they wake up. They were there.
Yeah.
So before you come,
One step behind.
huh?
I said one step behind. They are in front.
Yeah.
Right.
They are the first one who wake up, and they are the last one.
They are just like our moms.
Right.
Thank
They
you to the
carry us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for the well services.
Right.
Without you, without us people here.
Yeah. Make sure.
Thank you very much for the joining. Seli Osborne. pakai bola belaka. Wanita menawan tombula. Right.
Ronto kayak Shelly T. Osborne. Ada berlaku materi kuat temai lemba tebua. Kalau balik A109. Kalau balik Samsung. Kalau berlaku Texas.
Right.
Grid security services.
Boleh.
Karena korturan di subang mana ni tahu.
Mandi
Taman Nawa.
boleh.
Berlaku mereka berlaku di kuat. Okay, also test
Be careful you don't slide.
Before we coming, Romero lang kumay. AM26 tamay miri.
Right.
26 ngon ni Tokay Malo.
Right, mai.
Baka wati kino kwa. No yan na kemuno.
English.
They are married to the province.
Province, wagi.
Yeah. I want to say good morning to the village of Vunisea.
Right.
It is in the in Vunisea in the district of Tokay Malo.
Okay.
In the sana. One Vunisea to Rabi.
Right.
Rabi in Tokay Malo. Yeah.
Right.
Munu. To the Manya Bandua. Manya Tokay Malo. And also. Yeah, they are together. To the village of Neulevu.
Right.
Ando boleh na ito kay Nabuni Bau. Siya matutumay na matakabila na kuha.
Kung ancient civilization.
Okay. Test him.
Another partner.
Right.
Kada ladies and gentlemen. Ako na bita ka na tarong ko.
Easily.
Ancient civilization. Yan ang sarap ito nga na sa channel ni TV.
Doon mo na.
Sorry, bola tawli. Okay.
Right.
Let me scare mo. Go to general question. What are the defining characteristics of an ancient civilization?
Ancient
Right. Ancient civilization.
Innocent civilization is a very old man. Before you coming to earth, they were the one who are responsibility for our growth. They own the living.
Right.
They own our heart. Before century come, they are the first one who clockwise in this earth.
Ano na kanang ruko tolo binaha Delas karua me nano mi nandaru tabal Mrs. Modiwai ole ba ko mabe bara binarunga kono mo do me modi tukin
mambo chikani koma ngangori valeni muri onangau na buno yakito me modi tukin na breakdown ditulur lolo men nangau.
How did geography influence the development of ancient civilization?
Right.
Geography was inside the map. During one earthquake was happening in 1971, he was being blown away by the wind in the southeast of Moscow and enlarged the microscope in 11 MB,
and then Facebook comes up. Okay, last one.
Right.
That's
mother some animal.
Mantan ko na animal.
School kita le. Okay. What were the main social classes in ancient civilization?
The class of 1733. They were the one who are building in civilization.
What you think we can do?
Right.
Na bola tiku we nangonongo.
Right.
Ngona to Vitalot. Mesopotamia.
You know that place?
Yeah.
We?
Mesopotamia.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait.
That's from Mosul.
Last question. How did the Sumerians contribute to the development of writing? Bola. May Samaria.
Yeah.
That contribution. And we're going to get some material. Samaria.
Before Before Samaria was in the world, before pen was invented in the world, they are the one who are doing the multiple choice. Multiple choice then was invented during the pyramid was built.
Because they calculate.
Pyramid
was done.
Pyramid was calculated accordingly to the river of Babylon.
We have to make on a nickname for you, Mr. Bulia.
Another question is how to do.
Up to you.
Okay, last question. Biblical to na.
Right.
Based na mo history ni
Right.
Ayaw na lengkan din.
Saya udah taruh mana nanu misalnya taruh. Set
na. Betul rata ka na calculation.
Sa larta.
Kurang ko man ngawir na scientist. But simper man ni kanin dua.
Iya.
Meta mo chikme nangonongo.
Right.
Satu ko na technology na bikato to ko simper chikme ni kelas taruh ba to pyramid.
Right.
Nga ba sa mata ka ko tumir nangona. Era ba calculate ang pili kaya na angle ko ta lakotaki.
Right.
Kalau man pyramid to era lalatu. Eta ka magata.
Right.
Krisin taruh chikme.
Okay, udah bilang sana.
Krisin taruh.
May.
Ayo mana sini kilau mika sini kilau.
Royal sar royal.
Megela besar royal.
Ini mulai talar tunggu ada sini kilau. Please, Demis, tell us this one.
Tell us.
Will you please tell us
Iya.
the last animal?
Sili umantang ko na taro lang tumeng ko na talatan din ng bulutom.
Kalau ada bisa ditaruh betul ya. Memang karena
the last animal
Iya.
to board Noah's Ark.
Right.
Which animal?
Iya.
The last one
Iya.
to board Noah's Ark.
Iya.
Turun man bikin. Ano mo kila magabulkan.
Ako sana guess ko sinindi na.
Iya.
The dog.
Last kitty.
Which one?
Yeah, which one?
Which one and the reason, please?
Right.
Which one and the reason?
Come on, my boy.
Yeah.
It's biblical.
In the Noah's Ark,
Yeah.
before they closed the door of the coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So was according to them,
Yeah.
they have to bring one male and female.
Right.
They were surrounded by the water before.
Yeah.
Before they closed the door,
Yeah.
they was looking. I don't know, is still alive in the world now or not? The unicorn.
What?
The unicorn.
Youthcon.
Unicorn. So from my side of view, I don't know which animal was the last,
Okay, right.
but I think
Right.
Yeah.
the king of the jungle,
The lion.
lion.
Oh. The dog.
The dog was the first one. Was inside. From then was looking for bone marrow. He was the one who did the job before they install the army group.
Yeah.
Before they install
Because
the
it's the
police.
security.
They were the security of the home.
Udah boleh besar.
Noah kisah lihat aku tombol lagu
Right.
bulu nak. Meli na tale ada berada turang dita.
Nah, boleh night.
Mo ko na limungan la suwa.
Iya.
Dika, iyo.
Iya.
Kira-kira ne may solibu ka na tawli na.
Wani bu.
Na wani lisman ya lona.
Dapat kami minta lebih BSP unsecured personal loan.
Turun nak yo, may.
Makatal ngakin na by Punches, the proud sponsors of the Fijian Raw. Ito ko rin tiko. Randa binadabaki. Lewe stop tu nandre may pala mga mataka.
Kanisi.
Iya. May.
Kanisi rawasua.
Right.
Wala sa rawi to kani na mataka dita. Rabata. Siya man mataka maro isu ng bulan tataka sa rawa ko kuha. Dabi luman na bagaliw.
Esa.
Go kurumundo.
Ubi kagalo mula.
Engonde missing. Ngay inda live ngay live. Ngay inda siya takata ko non da live na matakay ko.
Iya.
Thank you very much. Thank you.